I'm heading over to a workshop today again where I get to learn something. I'm so excited. It's actually going to be a sourdough workshop, and I've been wanting to make sourdough bread for a really long time after it's trending all over social media. So hopefully I come back with some beautiful, delicious bread, and then I'm hoping I could actually make it at home from what I learned today and maybe be able to vlog about it in the future. I'm actually taking one of my friends for her birthday to celebrate, so we thought it would be a cute treat to treat her to a sourdough workshop. So that's where we're going today, and hopefully I get to show you a little bit of the class today. Thank you so much for sending me these. It's a collaboration between Never Have I Ever and Letters by Shells. She's one of my friends, and I'm so excited for her because it's like her design on the nails, and they are so cute. I chose the flower one, but it was so hard to choose between these two. I think I'm gonna have to do this one for the holidays, and then this I could do right now. It is a tad too long for my liking just because I'm not used to long nails, but I love it. I'm like constantly going like this just to show off my nails. Thank you so much for sending me these. I can't wait to try the other ones as well. And I went to the bread workshop yesterday. I did all the process really quick last night, and then I had it in the fridge. I didn't have time to film the whole process, and good thing I had my nails done after. And then now I'm actually going to be baking the bread officially, and I don't really have to do anything other than putting it in the oven. So I can't wait to officially try my sourdough bread. One thing I learned from the workshop is that there is so much time that goes into making sourdough. It's like a lot of care, a lot of time. And because of that, she actually mentioned that a lot of the sourdough bread that you might see at the store or even at like the market that they make as sourdough may or may not be real sourdough because it takes so much time and process in between. So a lot of times they just make it taste like sourdough, or there's just a gazillion ingredients that goes into the bread to make it taste like it. So I'm actually really excited just for like the health benefits that I could make sourdough bread at home with just very few ingredients. But we made chocolate sourdough bread, so I'm really excited to try that. So yeah, I'm gonna go into my kitchen, preheat my oven, and start making my sourdough bread. My sourdough bread didn't cook all the way. I'm so sad. So I blame the fact that it was a chocolate sourdough and it's already dark, so I couldn't tell if it's cooked or not. And I didn't preheat my Dutch oven long enough, so that's the lesson that I learned. I think I needed to put it in there for a long period of time before I put my bread in there. But I ended up rebaking a regular sourdough bread for my friend and for us, and I finally baked it last night, late at night, and I cut open the one that I made for myself, and it looks good. So I'm really excited, and I'm going to be gifting the other sourdough bread to my friend. She looks so cute. I'm so excited and so proud of my sourdough. I'm going to be wrapping it up and showing you guys how I wrap it up to gift to your family and friends if you're trying to make some sourdough during the holidays.
Since I was in Canada. This is Canada. And because it's 2022 to 23. Wait, no. Yeah, oh yeah, it is.